Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. Today I'm gonna be doing a makeup look for this hair that I'm wearing right now, and I'm just gonna get right into it. First thing first, I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my face using my Nivea cream, of course. Next, I'm gonna add some primer on my face, and this is the Garnier serum cream. Okay, I'm gonna go in with foundation since I'm not planning on doing any eyeshadow. Why not just go straight in with foundation? So today I'm gonna be using this foundation right here. So this is a matte foundation by Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put some on the back of my hand. This shade is 335, just in case you think you might be my shade. 335 Classic Tan Bronze Classique, that's the name on it. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply this all over my face. And I'm also gonna bring it down to my neck and under my chin, all this area. I'm bringing a little bit on my eye, not too much, because we're gonna be adding concealer and we don't want it to look cakey, if you know what I mean. Now I'm gonna go in with my concealer, and this one is from Tarte, and I'm just gonna apply it onto my lid like so. I already did my brows, and you know, I conceal under them too, so it's a little bit light there, as you can see. So now I'm just gonna go in with my wet sponge and blend it in, or blend it out. Let's say blend it out. We're not blending it in. Blend in, blend out, same difference. And just apply it up here. I'm also gonna go ahead and apply concealer on the rest of my face while I'm at it. And I'm gonna use a lighter shade under my eyes, like right here. This is a lighter shade. I like the look, that's the reason why I'm doing it. It's really not a big deal. You don't have to do that. And just blend it out again. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some Fenty contour on my cheekbones right here, a little bit on my forehead, some down here. I'm gonna also add bronzer, so I'm not gonna go too hard with this, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and add some setting powder on my concealer. And the setting powder I'm using today is this one right here. I use it all the time. So I like to just put it on the sponge, then I put it onto my hand like that, just to press it in before I start applying it onto my face. And whatever I have left on the sponge after I apply it where I want it, I'm just gonna go all over my face with that and push everything in, just like so. Already it's all coming together. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some more setting powder. This one is from Maybelline Fit Me, the same brand as the foundation I use. And this one I'm gonna apply it under my eyes because this one is lighter. It's a lighter shade than the one I used before, and like I said before, I like the look of this, so this is the reason why I'm doing it. Like I want like under my eyes to look light. That's what I'm going for. Okay, so I did eyeliner and my lashes, and now I'm gonna go ahead and add some bronzer before I dust off the rest of powder that I have on my face. And I'm using the lighter shade bronzer right now to contour my face, just because I added some contour earlier. I'm also gonna add some of that bronzer on my nose to contour it. And I'm gonna bring it all the way up under my brow right here, like so. And you see how it's all coming together, no shadow, and it's looking flawless. Now I'm gonna go ahead and dust off the powder using this brush, and I'm just lightly dabbing it like that, because I don't really want it to be gone. I just want it to be not sitting there. Next, I'm gonna go in with my MAC Skin Finish, and I'm just gonna dab it on all over my face, everywhere. Now from this palette, I'm gonna be adding blush and highlighter, and from the palette I'm gonna be using this orangey color in the middle for my blush. And when I apply it, I'm just gonna dab it on like that and blend it up into my concealer and all the way around, just like so. And I'm also gonna add a little bit of the blush right on my nose right here, just like so. I'm not too crazy about highlighter today, but since I didn't do any shadow, I'm gonna just go for it and add some under my brows. I'm gonna also add some onto my nose, the tip of my nose, like there, and my nose bridge right here. I'm also gonna go in and add some right here in my tear duct. And I'm gonna add some onto my cheekbone right here. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with a lip liner I got from the beauty supply store. Then I'm gonna use the back of it to smudge the lip liner out. I'm gonna add this lipstick one by NYX. Okay, so I'm basically done with my lip, but I cannot decide if I want to keep it matte or if I want it glossy. I guess I'll decide after I change and come back. Okay, guys. So this is the finished look, guys. As you can see, I went glossy. I asked my kids separately, should I let it stay how it was or should I let it be glossy? They both say glossy, so I grabbed my lip gloss, of course, and make it glossy. So I hope you guys like it. I like it. I like the overall look, the hair, everything. The hair is from Love Me Here, and I have posted the video for it already, so I mean, I'll link it down below so it's easier for you guys to find it. But yeah, this is my makeup look with no shadow at all, and it's still flawless. So yeah, guys, I hope you like this look. Let me know in the comment box what you think about it, if it's something that you would try. If you find this video helpful, definitely give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. And if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you will subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.